Picture this, making the same type of video that you're currently looking at using just one AI tool. This tool can turn your ideas into studio quality images, generate cinematic videos, and even give your characters perfect lip sync without you touching the camera. Before we dive in, I'm about to show you a quick demo that will blow your mind. And if you stay to the end, I've got a bonus trick that will instantly upgrade your content workflow. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video.
If you've been on the channel long enough, you notice that there are one particular AI tools that I like talking about, and that is AI tools that are encompassing. Now, what I mean is AI tools that houses multiple functions. That's AI tools that can do image generation and all whatnot all in one, than having to move from one AI tool to the other in order to achieve a certain purpose. Now, that is one of the beautiful things that I actually love about this new AI tool I'm about to review in this video. The second thing is it actually has all of your popular models, all right, for image generation or video generation all in it at the same price, all right. And the third is quite cheap. It's way cheaper than any other AI tool that you can find in the market. Or if imagine trying to subscribe to Sora, to VO 2 or 3.1 or to Hello. No, here you just pay and then you get access to all of them at the same price, but just at different credits. We want to look at this tool right about now, and I'm going to actually use the tool to create that intro video that you saw that probably made you to watch this video up to this point. So make sure that you watch to the end so you don't miss a single part of this tutorial. All right, the name of the tool is called JSP.com. All right, so I'm going to leave the link to the tool on the description, so you can just use that to visit the tool right away. On the interface, you can see JXP, and then you can see that it can be used to create AI video. It can be used for AI image as well, lip sync. Okay, and like I said, it also has it's powered by all of your popular image generation or video generation models like 1, 2.0, Hilo, Sora, VO 3, and so on. And then in the image generation, you can see the Chrono Edit, which is a new AI model, the Nano Banana, Seed Dream 4.0, and the rest of them. And of course, you need to know that whichever tool that you want to use, whichever model you want to use, has its own corresponding required credits. All right, so first off, let's try out generating the image, which is the first thing that we are supposed to do. Okay, so under here we are going to tap on the AI image, and I'm going to be using Seed Dream 4.0 because I want to be able to actually use text to generate an image. All right, because if I use Nano Banana, it's going to require me to add a photo or a photo reference. Okay, and I don't want to do that, so I'm going to drop a link or a prompt that I already got. Okay, and I'm going to actually add a 3D animation of, okay, then the resolution I'm going to select 4K, and then for aspect ratio, of course, it's going to be 16:9, and I'm going to try to increase number of images, and then you can see that for one image it actually costs 1 credit. Okay, so up here you can see that I have 202 credits. Okay, so I'm going to generate this image, and let's see together what is going to cost in terms of credits. And the beautiful thing about this is that the generation is actually also quite fast. Okay, it's already done, and you can see it costs only 1 credit to generate this one image. Okay, so I'm going to save this image. Okay, now there's also something about JSP image generation, is the consistency in character consistency. All right, so if I should actually input this prompt again, there's I'm going to actually have this same character you are looking at. All right, now having generated the image, the next, let's go to the video generation. So you can use any of this, okay, but for the sake of what I'm doing, I think I'll prefer to use Hilo 2.3. all right, or let's use Sora. All right, let's use Sora. Okay, now I'm going to be using the image to video, and I'm going to type the same thing. Let me just input the same prompt. Okay, so 3D animation. He is speaking and demonstrating with his hands. He stands, walks about, and comes back to his chair. All right, now reference image, I'm going to bring in the reference image that I just created. Now you can see that this is going to cost me 20 credits. All right, so if I used other ones like one, it actually costs way less. All right, and if I switch to the Sora 2 Pro, it costs more. All right, so let's try to even use the best of the best. Let's use Sora 2 Pro. Now I increase it to 15 seconds. Now it's going to cost 45 credits. All right, now of course the landscape is the aspect ratio. Let's say the resolution is high. Okay, so now it's costing 90 credits. Okay, I think I should reduce this to standard. Okay, then the landscape, so I'm also going to try to actually reduce this to 10 seconds. All right, because by the time I want to lip sync, it's going to stretch the video to fit into the duration of the audio I'm lip syncing. All right, so next I'm just going to tap on create and wait for the magic to happen. That's what.
What's up, friends? Today we're diving into some lights that completely changed my workspace. Let me show you. These panels are tiny, magnetic, and they throw out a ton of color. You can dial in any vibe you want right from an app. I've been testing them all week.
That was the video, okay, and it actually took less than 5 minutes to generate a 15 seconds video. Okay, finally is the lip syncing. Okay, so what do we do? So we're going to tap on the lip sync, and you can see you can actually lip sync an image, all right, or you lip sync a video. Okay, so we're going to tap on the image and so we're going to tap on the upload image, and we are going to choose the file that is the video that we just finished creating. We are going to add the audio file. This is like a 31 seconds audio file, and you can see that for a 31 seconds audio file, it's costing 32 credit because it counts per second. Okay, you get 1 credit per second. All right, now if I increase it to 1080p, it's going to cost me 96. So I think I should leave it at 720 all right, 720, and then I can describe it what you want the character to express. So I'm just going to tap on generate video and wait for the magic to happen. Talking about,
Picture this, making the same type of video that you're currently looking at using just one AI tool. This tool can turn your ideas into studio quality images, generate cinematic videos, and even give your characters perfect lip sync without you touching the camera.
Talking about the pricing of this tool, what does it cost? So you can see that this is actually one-time purchase, which means you only pay once and use your credit anytime. All right, so this is actually fantastic, unlike other ones that you have to, if you're not able to finish using your credit in a month, all right, it just gets expired, right? Or you could pay $30 for a one-time of 330 credits. Okay, so everything I did, which is a 32 seconds video, all right, it costs me it should be costing me a total of give or take 100 credits. Okay, so the next is $99 if you are going for the ultimate one time, which gives you 1,200 credits. But if you want to go for the monthly subscription where you get 120 credits monthly, remember this one is 100 credits monthly, all right, or a $30 premium, which gives you 296 monthly, all right, and then other specs surrounding that. So if you want to get access to these two, on the description down below I already dropped the link that you can use to actually get access to these tool. There you have it, JSP tool that can create image, create video, and also lip sync perfectly. Now, comparing this with other AI tools that are similar to this function, I believe that you can now see the difference, especially in the pricing and also in the cost of credits, right? Because other tools actually cost a whole lot to generate images or generate videos or lip sync inside of them. All right, thank you for watching. I also did a video on how you can create AI music video. I believe the video is showing right now on your screen, so you can click on it and watch. And with this, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop any comment if you have any question to ask about JSP or any other AI tool on the comment down below. With this, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.